paralyzed or paralyzed here. God being so good because the stubbornness no person will break it or not call every word be
yeah.
Man under one word oh. Nyame man under one word oh. More than a to her. Now it's like the next way you know. I'm sorry, you didn't see that. Why are they moving into different word? Me chakwai okay that was all paralyzed here. Bibia ni man so. One of our spiritual son, your man so say na wakoko you so we draw na more pumping medication, we draw na undidi na a draw tea and na
me bonapis la.
No bo napis.
Yeah.
Mu draw na mu de duane no.
Catheter.
Catheter pop me na me de be share because me can say mu na pem. Nti me draw na mu de duane na na I say in touching it's a little fly na ho. Na mo nje na oda ho na oda invite abo. When I call doctors na me ka say I want them to take every medication that is making my husband vegetable there. I want to replace him with food. I say, okay, but his sugar level is very high. We have to give insulin. I'm going to say, promise me. Yes, I don't mind, so you give him insulin to bring it down. But if you give him insulin, make sure that you put him back on the tablet. If you don't, me no more train, doctors no more me. Me say, if you don't and anything happens, I will sue you and I will sue the whole hospital.
Yeah.
And me sorry anapa 6 o'clock my friend my spirituals no I say sweet madam say David yanko remember saying kuku driver me person carers go because when he comes around he see the carers that he won't be feeling okay. So I go there me see David Kwame he had not tell me kuku driver no then I take balloon I take oat na kitchen one no staff nkwa na ko ho to am nkwa me to me just I want to go there na mama mind tell my yeah na maybe do me titi e de man na for him no me so onya na ho odin ka Edeba. But it was getting to Christmas and he wanted to celebrate Christmas with the family. And on one of the shadows of person could feel, but no, he wasn't well. Into no, obedru fear no, the Christmas time no. Into me siblings in by no say I didn't make you know Abraham say he's not well. I didn't tell anybody. To baby to the Korean crown or shifo. Or the Korean man.
What shifo? Wow.
Into now when your ambulance buy no. Your ambulance buy and ambulance for buying you need to take him because his system is shutting down. And metina center table and I say nketi actually I say I can't talk, I can't do anything.
Yeah.
And in you soon free many. I quite remember one guy who said soft mommy. Ambulance for the business and why no a beko na David so sweet mother me no beko. Then I sat at the back or not in front. To metina wanna means ambulance lady na free hospital so they stand by because it's not looking good. And the system is shutting down. Na me mama ni so.
Oh.
Na mse radi. Ekwo ye woku. So one kasa. Wo say what friend is on meye we adwuma. Na wo pese wo yusu ndia na de ekwo ye woku. So wa wo behwe no. Na wa ma na wudi a. Na one kasa I will hold you responsible. Ekwo ye woku. Nya me ni dia bio. Na me paper.
Wonder you won say free so.
Ndin da me no hwe me say. Na mse wo de hwe me. Na wonnim. So let your will be done.
Ma wo penye ho.
And I'm paper me let me die. And to be true I say that na mo ambulance do na mo rush ko intensive aid. Na mo ma many David ejina ho. Me ba David so sweet ma be okay na so. Me ma ye dey say me ye ma ka cha nya me nti nya me be hwe na ewu na say on fa no nsisi no use na say opese mo ewu di.
And nya me na asem.
Na asem. Nti me ti wona oba na mo di na tire bre me na mo ka cha me say oh my stabilizing thing is okay. David, I thank God, David, young coffee. Then we went home. Then we came back. And through that process, I know every single word. Mama and that even because of quite a week and all that a word. What no every single you know. So say what no to one word for me to you drew on
end of life.
Next in say on or per worshiper. We worship what I'm next no cry and spirit tiny son or no or to if you word. You was the way a Christian. Have a worshiping kiku ma to 2 years free home. There's no more best ever. And you buy what no work to end of life.
Wow.
Not just say what did ye?
What did say what pem one kasa wo no.
No return. Into me buy no frame or some na to end of life. Na me ye aduan me de buy. Me true say na me say. Me share ambre one also be a one in be a woo. Na omam we na we good neko. I'm saying me say aduan kra man fama no. Me say me de aduan ma wona che say me ankasa me mmoa wo. Wo de aduan na che say wako. Me tell na me say me share me o kan na say me share me say end of life no mo do about it. Okay, me dia me ko. So pesa wo di mechi sorry free mpa no so na di mechi na wo pesa wo ye nyame adwuma sorry di fi mechi aduane we me fa ma wondi di mechi na bra fie bebi di aduane also into promise make a decision now whether you give your fully, because it's like we don't want nyame but
I say we were half I say we na ba ko wi ase we na ba ko so nyame mu
and I me jam one me call me open or catch or frame me to say me person me sumi and I'm say okay, you have made a decision not with me but with God. Anti bia na mu yini ba fie no buy to buy pe anti bia na spiritual mother ka so person all day no isn't it all day ni read pe na Bible am the man no till now no use all the being panam di share and say me now my job is completed.
Ma wie ma djuma
Mama for any edimpa se mo ni mu kunu mu puppet mu yes say we say me I'm not that kind me the ama where my job is done I will be back me wait me be support me push you but puppet ya me no mpre mo da na me dey say my job is done me to Bible say now go and do what God
na koye di nyame adwuma wasoma se ko
the Bible that he uses today.
wow
Since me no me faith is crazy. Wouldn't need it.
yeah oh yes yeah
me pa obi obu ni
ah yes enti ase wo me fan say crazy faith e wo nyame mu nyame soma wo se beboa no enne se wo hye de wa ye ya wo si we ya wo hye na se wo gina pulpit so na wo ka nyame asem e ya sign na ye wo how do you feel?
Me ka chance I'm proud of you.
Oh
Me ka chance me mama say I'm proud of me the Bible say I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. It has been a journey.
Oh, you have really done. Why nyame adwuma that she
of course nka say o lose baby and when Maria beton ye dey be we na edididi e beton fante dokun
ena na mudididi
ye ko 200
and we became homeless 2 years.
Homeless ye turn £1 na ya beton £2 na the beton e be the be ka na enya ape the ton na na ye dey aye free
na modi
a man for free and
guy who had money.
Yeah, because obi like who sika.
Oh, yes, say me am gina akra me mo baba say me kra. E be fa say nyame na umpa nko no kro be believe.
Yeah.
Mo be fa me picture. E dey catch say me can me a stripper. Me escort this. But ade ba kwa odu mu na me snow. Me akasa me hu ye me bo hu.
Yeah. As a conspiracy be against you because of a juma na waye no yeah a juma na wafato ho so no watching enemies resource kese
yeah
watching no nyame afa so it's like somebody I'm using
yes
and obi amefa no
yes
e dey expand the kingdom of darkness
yes
wabechine the naba light umfa ho ni yeah umfa ho ni
picture so
yeah
so you are escort and this and you are pretending you are holding
yeah
no, hold on
yeah
Miss hold on now Miss give me this picture now Miss no this person I'm not to one
and you what
and I have a birthmark and this person hasn't got a birthmark and so no one said you are right.
Reverend, you are blessed to have this woman.
I am very blessed. Every day I thank her.
Nyami sound so do about we bow life. Says in county.
Oh, me woo long time. Long time. Madam for me name ya swallow drugs. Ye trying ye flu. Ye drugs no out. Yeah. God is a good God.
Would you say the entina nyame am wengu no am watena se
because nyame wo ejuma mama nyame wo ejuma mama nyame use broken vessels
nyama say
nyame wo ejuma mama you know because of the revelations the Holy Spirit gives me metiase say there is always a purpose in every problem.
Botaye bia bibia besi bia bodame obotaye bi nyame nsai hwe wo de manoa de aprokra tete no ofaye ne yi.
Yes, he calls the disqualified and disqualifies the qualified.
One man you know said that chi bi cry ye be fra reverend da
I am in number for now one catch him say oh me number for no more call as you near the oh we knew you'd be a prophet, we knew you'd be a pastor because in school no timi can maybe a bem, but I never for once thought say God will use me. God uses what everybody, the foolishness of this
Yeah.
world to confound the wise.
Reverend so be tio no say my babrabu fin my ye mistakes. I have wasted my life.
Yeah.
Etienne da so bia ni ho mame ade na obeka nkyere.
Mekato say, need us all. And I also want you to change your mindset.
Te san wadwene.
You've not made a mistake. Because the devil cannot tempt you without God's approval. And we see that in Job 1:6. Until God allows you to go through, or God allowed you to go through this thing, your life is not wasted.
And say
My life is not wasted.
obrabon say
Nyame can say, I will restore the years back that the canker worm and the locust stole. God has restored back. He has not only restored back, He's blessed me with divine restitution. Until I want to tell everybody, say, Minye bibia me shi from
I don't share from a poso krape. Yeah, defe kra.
But today God has lifted me.
Nyame asa
He's
pagya
still
obi.
lifting me.
Ogusu apagya
And He
wo.
will forever lift me.
Obekọ so apagya wo. Enti da so ma wo mo bia.
Intermediate time be me tun sanjomi. Metu sanjomi.
To mami.
Richie Higgins' brother.
Okay. Me pacho ma ono.
So for Richard
So for Richard.
The younger brother.
Okay.
Your youth pastor.
Wow. Me pacho beto nyum ne mami.
Pastor Ike.
Pastor Ike.
Resident pastor.
Yo. Okay. I have na beto nyum ne mami na